Want to know how top drop shippers and affiliate marketers find winning ads before everyone else? Let me show you the newest PiPiADS features that make ad research faster, smarter, and ridiculously easy. Hey, I'm Norm Bond, and today we're diving inside PiPiADS, the #1 ads intelligence platform for Facebook, TikTok, and Shopify. They've just released powerful updates that'll change the way you track trends and spy on your competition. First up, the Facebook ads library is now split into global and EU versions, so you can easily browse region-specific ads and understand compliance differences. Perfect for scaling international campaigns. Next, meet the ad tracker, your real-time trend radar. You can track specific ads, brands, or products, and even get email alerts within 30 minutes when new ads drop. Daily reports make it easy to monitor what's working without lifting a finger. Right now, data updates appear within about an hour, but soon, real-time tracking is coming. Have a screenshot or a hot product? Just upload it into Find Similar by Image, and PiPiADS instantly finds ads using the same or similar visuals. It's like reverse image search built for marketers. Now this is a power move, the AI Video Translator Suite. You can translate text, speech, or even auto-generate full AI transcripts for any video ad. That means you can understand and repurpose global ad creatives with just one click. Finally, the library product, your go-to for discovering tested and active winning products. See what's trending, analyze ad angles, and spot profitable ideas before the crowd does. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling, try PiPiADS today. Use my affiliate link below to unlock your free trial and start tracking ads that actually convert. PiPiADS is your edge in the modern ad game.